As a full-time print-on-demand seller, I have tried my fair share of different products over the years, and some have way more success than others. Now, print-on-demand is still a fabulous business opportunity, even in 2025, but if you're thinking of getting started this year, it's really important to think outside the box when it comes to what products you want to sell. Gone are the days when you could just slap anything on a t-shirt, upload it to Etsy, and make thousands of dollars every single month, but there still is plenty of profit to be made. You just have to get a little bit more creative. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the trending products that I have really seen recently take off in sales, with new shops popping up all the time, just selling one or two of these kind of products and really exploding in their growth and profit in just a really short period of time. Now, along with that, I am going to be pairing each one of these products with an evergreen trending niche right now that would go really, really well for something like this, to give you a good idea of how you could really take one of these super unique products and pair it with a niche that is already super popular to really gain some momentum in your print-on-demand shop. So let's not waste any more time and just jump right into these products. None of them are going to be your standard t-shirt. Now, the very first product is something similar to what has done really, really well in my own personal print-on-demand stores over the last few years, but with a new twist on it. So one of the products I always suggest that new sellers start with and experiment with and learn how to get really good at designing is some kind of mug product. Now, there are tons of different kinds of mugs out there. Probably you are most familiar with just a generic ceramic mug that's either white or some other type of color. But one product that I really wanted to share with you guys that I have seen selling like crazy over the last few months has just been a clear glass mug. Now, something about this is really trendy and fresh. People are loving it, and especially as we move into the more spring and summer months, this is a lot better product type to put those really springy, fun designs, but it can also work really well into the fall and winter. Now, the exact one that I really like is right here on Printify, and to sell this, it just starts at about $12.59 if you have Printify Premium. Now, if you've never used Printify before, how Printify works is they basically act as the middleman who supplies all of these white label products for you as the print-on-demand seller to design for and upload to your Etsy shop or your other print-on-demand platform. I have used Printify for a number of years, and I love them just because they have a huge selection of products. They're really, really fast getting things out, and typically they are some of the lowest prices out there when it comes to getting these white label products. So that means that you can really price your items competitively and still walk away with a decent amount of profit. So something like this, I definitely think that you can price around that $20 mark and still be kind of in the range of most of the other sellers on Etsy. And if you're going to do something more unique like personalize it, you could even add a few more dollars. Now, the specific niche that I paired this with is one that I talked about in my recent evergreen niche video. Definitely check that out if you haven't yet. But this could do really, really well for that super profitable religious or spirituality niche. So especially if you are going to target something like Christianity or Catholicism, doing designs with scriptures on them or Bible verses, those would sell really, really well. But almost any other niche that is trending right now, if you put it on something like this clear glass mug, that is going to sell fabulously. I think this is a product to definitely keep your eye on or try out in the next few months if you haven't yet. Now, the next product that you probably will not be surprised that I am putting on a list like this is going to be one of Printify's 40-ounce maxi cups. Now, we have all seen the explosion of sales of 40-ounce tumblers over the last probably couple of years almost now, but this trend is not going anywhere anytime soon. People still love their giant water bottles with handles and straws. So if you haven't added any of these to your shop, this might be a really good time to experiment with adding some of them. Now, I like this version of the maxi cup, and I chose it because it has a really, really low cost to produce, meaning you can make a really decent amount of profit, because if you're buying this item wholesale closer to like that $25 or $30 range, there's really not a lot of room to play with and make a lot of profit without charging like $50+ for this. So this one, if you do have Printify Premium, it can start around that $16 mark and go up a little bit from there, but you can price these items quite a bit higher than just your standard tumbler. Now, if you don't know what Printify Premium is, you can sign up for it down at the link below, but basically it is just a monthly subscription that's going to get you up to 20% off of all of the wholesale products on Printify. Now, if you're just getting started, you don't have to get get that subscription to sell with Printify, you can just go ahead and sell with them for free. But if you feel like you're going to sell more than just a few items every single month, Printify Premium is definitely the way to go because the savings you get pays for itself in just a few purchases. But if you've never made an account with Printify before, you totally can sell with them for free. I'll link all of their information down below. Now, the evergreen niche that I kind of partnered with this specific item that I know is already doing really well because I've seen it do so many sales on Etsy is going to be pairing some kind of 40-ounce handle tumbler with a political niche. So election season is already behind us, but that doesn't mean that this niche is getting any less popular. Anything people are passionate about, they want to spend money on and they want to show off. So if you can, for example, make these tumblers for like a Republican mom or a Democrat school teacher, or the more specific you can get with something like this, the better it is going to do. But leaning into that political niche, I have seen do really well on these kind of tumblers, and I think there is still a lot more room in the market. So that is the niche that I partnered this with today. Now, the next product that is newer to Printify and is a huge opportunity because so many people are looking for this, especially on Etsy, is going to be an embroidered crew neck sweatshirt. So I really like the Gildan 18,000 sweatshirt with the embroidery option on it. You can put embroidery right here around the top. And the niche that I partnered this specific item with is going to be that parenting niche that I shared recently that is so profitable. Anything that has to do with being a mom or a dad is going to be something that people are going to spend money on. And especially moms love this embroidered look. So that is a great niche to use with this. And I have a full tutorial here on how to make an embroidered sweatshirt. Now, with embroidery versus regular print on demand, there's definitely some different considerations you have to take. You're more limited in the types of colors and the types of elements you can use in a design for embroidery, but you can end up charging quite a bit more for a fully embroidered product versus just a printed one. So if you haven't ever added embroidered items to your shop, this is a really good year to do this. And I anticipate that the sales for embroidered items are just going to continue to climb in the next few months. Now, the embroidered sweatshirt options are really good on Printify, and with Printify Premium, the price to buy one of these wholesale can start around $13, which is really good because for a embroidered sweatshirt, you can charge anywhere from $25 to $50 for something like this and still really be in a competitive range. So there's a lot of room to make profit in this. Definitely something you want to keep your eye on and try out if you never have before. Now, along with that, I actually picked out one more embroidered item that is so popular this year, and that is going to be their embroidered trucker hats. Now, I love myself a good baseball hat, but especially in the last couple years, trucker hats have just skyrocketed in popularity. People wore them before, but now I see almost everyone who is buying hats, they love the trucker style of them. Now, these again are going to start around that $13 price point, but you can sell these for quite a bit more. So you're definitely going to walk away with some significant profit on something like this. And the niche that I had shared about in my previous video that I think could work really well for something like this and be very outside the box is making trucker hats with kids' birthday themes on them. So kids' birthdays are a very profitable niche for print-on-demand sellers, and especially if you get very hyper specific and don't just say things like birthday boy or 10-year-old's birthday, but really get into a specific theme like a truck birthday for a 3-year-old or a mermaid birthday for a 7-year-old girl. So if you put any of those themes on one of these trucker hats, this would be a very sellable niche. Now, why I love this and why I picked it out is because with something like this for a kid's birthday party, you have the opportunity to make one sale and sell up to like 20 different products at one time. I love being able to be in niches like this. So for example, if a mom wanted to buy favors for a lot of the guests that are coming to her kid's birthday, she might buy something like this that has kind of the theme of the birthday party on it. And in her one order, she's going to order multiple different products. So those kind of niches are fabulous ones to be targeting. Now, a newer product that I really wanted to draw you guys' attention to that Printify recently added to their lineup and you can now sell, I'm so excited about because these have been selling like crazy over the last few years, especially especially on sites like Etsy, and that is going to be a customized iron-on patch. Now, people love patches for all sorts of different things, putting them on jackets, on tote bags, on hats. Patches are just getting more and more popular, and I anticipate the rest of 2025 they are going to continue to do really well. So Printify has a few different options for iron-on patches in terms of sizing, and the pricing is really, really good. They start at less than $6. And while I think that patches could do really well for pretty much any of the niches I've talked about or other ones that you research, what I wanted to highlight them with is one of the niches that I said has been the most profitable for me over the last few years, and that is targeting what I like to call like awareness days. Now, there are lots of things that you think about that are kind of bigger awareness days that a lot of people know about. So like in October, you have breast cancer awareness, or many other months have way bigger awareness days, but there are tons of smaller awareness days that people who are affected by them or have family members who have certain conditions or diseases, they want to buy products to show their support for the people that they love or whatever they have. So what I love to do is just look up a year-long list of all the awareness days for every day and then work about 2 months in advance and make really unique specialized products for these awareness days. Now, for many of them, there is not a lot of competition out there, and people who are looking for these don't have a lot of different options for what to buy. So I love being able to add to the marketplace and kind of draw some attention to some of these awareness days that don't get as much love as maybe some of the bigger ones do. So with these iron-on patches, you could do some really awesome things with them, put some great quotes or inspirational messages. And I definitely suggest looking for inspiration in maybe some of the bigger awareness days. So for example, if you wanted to look up like pancreatic cancer patches and take some inspiration for that for a smaller awareness day, that would be a great place to start. But these patches are a really huge opportunity. They are brand new to Printify. So I think that this is a fabulous option to add to your shop for something really, really unique. Now, one of the next products that I think is a huge opportunity, and I did say that I wasn't going to have any regular t-shirts on this list, but I did want to throw in one t-shirt option that is more outside the box, more trendy. A lot of people are specifically looking this up when they are searching keywords on Etsy, and that is going to be a woman's cropped t-shirt. Now, there are several different options on Printify, but the one that I really like is right here, and it starts just around $12, meaning you can make a really good amount of profit on something like this. Now, what I love with a crop t-shirt is you could take any of your other best-selling t-shirt designs and add them to a cropped option, and that definitely could be something that people are specifically looking for. Now, the niche that I wanted to highlight with these out of the list that I had shared with you guys is definitely going to be the wedding niche. This type of product does fabulous for something like a bachelorette party or a bridal shower or even just a getting ready outfit on the day of. People love to have their whole bridal party kind of in coordinating outfits. And again, this is one of those items that if you get one sale, you might sell up to 5 to 12 of this item, meaning you can make a ton of profit from something like this. Now, if you haven't watched it yet, there are so many more niches that I shared in that 2025 evergreen niche video, so I highly recommend you check it out here and get the rest of that list. But if you're feeling kind of stuck or like your regular t-shirt designs aren't getting sales this year, I highly recommend trying out some new product and seeing if you can really find some room in the market for yourself to stand out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.